10 amazing health benefits of Epsom salt baths you should know. Are you looking for a natural and effective way to improve your health and well-being? Look no further than Epsom salt. This humble household item has been used for centuries to promote relaxation, relieve pain, and improve overall health. In this video, we're going to share with you 10 amazing benefits of Epsom salt baths that you should know. From its ability to relieve stress and promote better sleep, to its ability to improve athletic performance, you won't want to miss this. So, sit back and get ready to discover the power of Epsom salt. Number 1. Epsom salt is a natural pain reliever. Are you tired of dealing with chronic pain and soreness? Epsom salt is an all-natural pain reliever that can help ease your discomfort and get you moving again. Epsom salt is rich in magnesium, which is a mineral that plays a crucial role in muscle and nerve function. When you add Epsom salt to a warm bath or use it as a compress, the magnesium is absorbed through your skin and helps to relax your muscles and reduce inflammation. This can lead to significant pain relief, especially for conditions such as arthritis, fibromyalgia, and even menstrual cramps. But that's not all. Epsom salt can also help with sore muscles after a workout, or even just a long day on your feet. Simply add a cup of Epsom salt to your bathwater, and soak for at least 20 minutes. You'll feel the tension and pain melt away, leaving you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Number 2. Epsom salt helps you sleep better. Are you tired of tossing and turning at night? Struggling to get a good night's sleep? Epsom salt can help you fall asleep faster and sleep better through the night. Epsom salt is known to have a relaxing effect on the body, which can help to reduce stress and tension. This makes it an excellent natural remedy for insomnia and other sleep disorders. By adding Epsom salt to a warm bath before bed, you can soak away the day's stresses and allow your body and mind to relax. The magnesium in Epsom salt can also help to regulate your body's melatonin production, which is a hormone that regulates your sleep-wake cycle. Another great way to use Epsom salt before bed is by doing a foot soak. Not only will this help to relax your feet, but it will also have a calming effect on your entire body. Number 3. Epsom salt detoxes you. Are you looking for a simple and effective way to detoxify your body? This all-natural remedy can help to flush out toxins and impurities from your body, leaving you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. When you add Epsom salt to a warm bath, it helps to open up your pores and increase blood flow, which allows toxins to be released through the skin. So next time you're looking for a way to refresh and rejuvenate your body, add Epsom salt to your bath. Number 4. Epsom salt improves your digestion. Are you tired of dealing with digestive issues such as constipation and irregular bowel movements? Epsom salt can help to improve your digestion and get things moving again. Epsom salt is a natural laxative that can help to relieve constipation and promote regular bowel movements. When added to a warm bath, the magnesium in Epsom salt is absorbed through the skin and helps to stimulate the muscles in the digestive tract, which can help to ease constipation. Number 5. Epsom salt improves your skin and hair health. Are you looking for a way to improve your skin and hair health? This all-natural remedy can help to exfoliate and moisturize your skin, while also promoting hair growth. Epsom salt is a gentle exfoliant that can help to remove dead skin cells and impurities, leaving your skin feeling soft and smooth. Mix a tablespoon of Epsom salt with a small amount of your favorite face wash or cleanser, and gently massage the mixture onto your skin. Rinse it off with warm water, and you'll be left with radiant, refreshed skin. You can also use Epsom salt as a hair rinse. Mix a cup of Epsom salt with a cup of warm water, and after washing your hair, pour the mixture over your hair. Massage it into your scalp and let it sit for a few minutes, then rinse it off. The Epsom salt helps to remove buildup and impurities, leaving your hair feeling clean and healthy. Epsom salt is also known to improve the health of your hair by promoting hair growth and strengthening hair fibers. Number 6. Epsom salt gives stress relief. Are you feeling stressed out and overwhelmed? Epsom salt can help to relieve stress and promote a sense of calm. Epsom salt is known to have a relaxing effect on the body, which can help to reduce stress and tension. The magnesium in Epsom salt can also help to regulate your body's cortisol levels, which is a hormone associated with stress. So next time you're feeling stressed out and overwhelmed, you know what to do. Prepare a lovely Epsom salt bath. You'll be amazed at how de-stressing it can be. Number 7. Epsom salt relieves headaches. Are you tired of dealing with headaches and migraines? Epsom salt can help to relieve headaches and migraines naturally. Epsom salt is known to have a relaxing effect on the body, which can help to reduce muscle tension and promote blood flow. Epsom salt can help to relieve headaches by reducing inflammation and relaxing the muscles in the head and neck. Number 8. Epsom salt improves athletic performance. Are you looking to boost your athletic performance? Epsom salt can help to improve athletic performance by reducing muscle soreness and promoting recovery. Epsom salt is rich in magnesium, which is a mineral that plays a crucial role in muscle and nerve function. When you add Epsom salt to a warm bath, the magnesium is absorbed through your skin. This helps to relax your muscles, reducing soreness and inflammation. This can lead to faster recovery time and improved athletic performance. Epsom salt is also known to improve blood flow, which can help to transport oxygen and nutrients to the muscles, promoting recovery and growth. Number 9. Epsom salt improves heart health. Want to take steps towards a healthier heart? Look no further than Epsom salt. Epsom salt is known to have a relaxing effect on the body, which can help to reduce blood pressure and improve circulation. When added to a warm bath, Epsom salt can help to dilate blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more freely and reducing the strain on the heart. Epsom salt is also known to reduce inflammation, which can help to improve overall cardiovascular health. 10. Epsom salt helps wounds heal faster. Are you looking for a natural way to help wounds heal faster? Epsom salt is known to have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to reduce swelling and pain associated with wounds. Epsom salt can help to promote the growth of new skin cells, allowing wounds to heal faster. We hope you've learned something new, and are excited to try incorporating Epsom salt baths into your own health and wellness routine. Thank you for watching. We would love to hear about your own experiences with Epsom salt in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.